See the program to copy a string. So let's take, you have a two string variable. One is an source string array, and we'll have a data here as SSCE. At the end you have an slash 0. Okay, the index number is here 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now this data has to be copied to another string. Let's take that another string variable as an dest str. This whole data has to be copied. This whole data has to be copied to the dest string. Now you cannot copy a string by just giving here dest str is equals to source str. That is not possible. You cannot copy a string directly like this. You need to copy character by character. One character at a time has to be copied. So first a source str of 0th value has to be copied to dest str of 0. Same way again index number 1 data has to be copied to index number 1. So one character has to be copied till you reach slash 0. Even the slash 0 also has to be copied. So let's write a complete code for that. So declare here two string variables, source str of 20, dest str of 20. So we'll read the source string. To generate an index number, we'll take an I variable and then we'll read an source string here. So let's give here as getTest of source string. Let's assume the source string is been given as an SSCE. At the end you have slash 0. This whole data has to be copied. Take a for loop. I equals to 0. Here, and this expression 2 itself will copy and character by giving here dest str of I is equals to source str of I. So what happens here is, so I value is 0, so source str of 0 gets copied to dest str. It is not here comparison, it is a single equal to. When it is a single equal to, it is an assignment. That means source str of I value is copied to dest str of I. That is S gets copied to this place. After copying the contents, this dest str of I value has to be compared whether it is not equals to slash 0. Check here, not equals to slash 0. Okay, and then here I plus plus. Again, this doesn't have set of statements, so we will give a semicolon for this for. So let's see how this works. So S is copied, and that S is not equals to slash 0. It goes to expression 3 I plus plus. So this time I is going to be a 1. So when I is 1, again comes back, source str of 1 is copied to dest str of 1. That is S is copied to this place. And after copying S is again not equals to slash 0. The condition is true. If it is true, again go back, I plus plus, I is going to be a now 2. So comes down, source str of 2. Source str of 2 is nothing but C. C is copied to dest str of 2. C is copied here, and again C is also not equals to slash 0. I gets incremented. I is 3 now. So again source str of 3, that is E, is copied to this index number 3 location, dest str of 3. And E is not equals to slash 0. Again I plus plus, I is going to be here 4. Okay, so I is 4. So now in this case, comes to this place, source str of 4 is slash 0 is copied to dest str of 4. That is slash 0 is copied first. And this slash 0 is checked whether it is not equals to slash 0. The condition is false. So it comes out of the loop. The whole data has been copied with a single line. And then afterwards you can you can display the copied string by giving here, after coming out of the loop, printf copied string colon %s, and you can display here dest str, okay, and then return 0. Okay. So the single line is going to copy all the contents from source str to dest str. Fine. This is, we have written a code for copying character by character. Instead of doing that, you can use a library function. So instead of giving here this, so there is a library function to copy a string from one string variable to another string. So the function name, the library function name is an strcpy. Okay, the syntax is here you have to give a character array, that is an destination string first, and then character array which is going to be an source. So first you need to give the destination and then the source. So you can, to copy this source str to dest str, it can be given as string copy destination str comma source str. You need not copy character by character. This function takes care of copying all the contents from source str to dest str, including /0. So this line can be written as string cpy. Instead of this for statement, you can give a string cpy dest str comma source str. Okay, so the source str data gets copied to dest str. Let's try out this code in the code block. Fine, here I've taken two string array, source str of 20, dest str of 20. Printf enter string get s of source str. Here I have written the code, that for loop, to copy the string from one string variable to another. I equals to 0, within bracket dest str of I is equals to source str of I. So here the source str of I value gets copied to dest str. One character is copied, and that copied character, it checks here whether it's not equals to /0. If it is, then again I plus plus increment the I value, again comes back, copies the second character, keeps on doing it. When it is /0, first the /0 is copied to dest str of I, and then dest str of I is checked whether it is not equals to /0. That time comes out of the loop, and copied string is nothing but dest str. So let's run this program. So I'll give the string as learn good, press enter key. Here the copied string is learn good. Okay, fine. The same thing, we'll see how to copy a string using a library function, string copy. Now in this case, instead of that for loop, I have taken here, instead of this for loop for I equals to 0, dest str of I is equals to source str of I, then I have taken here a library function string copy. String copy, first is going to be the destination string and then the source string. So let's compile this, run it out. So I'll give the data as Savita soft. You can see here the copied string colon Savita soft. So you can write a code on your own to copy a string using a for statement, or else you can use a library function.